What's the meaning of amenable? Amenable. 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 Amenable.
Amenable means willing to accept or be influenced by something. It is often used to describe a person who is cooperative, open-minded and responsive to suggestion or guidance. A person who is amenable can be easily persuaded or controlled through reasoning and logic. In practical situations, this means that if someone is amenable to your ideas or suggestions, they are more likely to work with you to achieve a common goal. Overall, being amenable is a positive quality that can help foster good relationships and improve teamwork in various settings.